Okay, good. Whenever you're watching this, we are in 11, 16 today, module 5, lesson 2. You got two things, engage and note. So let's take a look at the engage. Yes, this video assistance will be right underneath here once I finish. Now, you're going to use this Jamboard to do the problem. So you're going to click on the Jamboard and you'll see that in a minute. But you've got two things. You want to draw a graph with two loops, multiple edges, and one vertice, and then draw a connected graph that has 10 edges and 6 vertices. Now you can do this all at once, or you can do this in two separate graphs. And what I'll do is I will put this underneath here as well for you as two things that you want to make sure as a requirement that you get done. Now, when you get to this Jamboard, what I want you to make sure that you do is make a copy. So come here to the triple dot, make a copy, and then you can title it, your name. So 5.2 engage, click OK. So that's the original. We don't mess with that. You make a copy of it. Then you come here. This is yours. You can do whatever you want as far as editing purposes is concerned. Grab this pen over here, and then this is where you'll do all of your work. So if we want to draw a graph with two loops, multiple edges, and one vertex, at least one vertex, we'll call that A, and A can have the loop. So there's a loop. We can come over here and label this one B. Here's a loop. So there's my two loops, check. Multiple edges. This is when like from A to B and B to A happen. So there's my multiple edges and then one vertex, check. So my vertex, you don't have to do this, but just so that you can see, my vertex set is A and B. And then my edges is going to be AB. And because it's in a multiple edge, they connect in multiple ways. We've also got BA. But don't forget about your loops. So we've got AA and BB. So those are your edge set. Again, you don't have to do that, but you can. I'm going to change the color up here for the next one. Let's see how that looks. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. So we're going to erase it. And we are going to grab the pen. Let me change it to a little darker color here. Draw a connected graph that has 10 edges and 6 vertices. So A, B, C, oh, that's E. Let's get a C over here. C, D, E, and then maybe down here, F. So there's your 6 vertices, and now you need 10 edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's all 6 connected, but I need 4 more. Now you can do this in any manner of way. You can do E to B, so that's 7. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can then come from B to F. There's 8. You can go D to B. There would be 9. And then maybe you can just take F to C, and there's 10. Now, try to do your own. Try not to just use mine. It can be any graph you want, but that is one example of something that might work. So I'm going to pause this video or stop it. There's those as well. And I want you to submit. Now, before I stop it, actually, 2 ways you can submit. You can download as a PDF and then upload it that way. You can share this to me, and you can just copy this link. And then what you'll do is you'll go down here to reply and put the link under here. And that way you can see, I can see your Jamboard. Or, like I said, you can reply and where is it here? You can come here, download as a PDF, come over here and upload it into your work here. You can attach that file. However, this works out for you is just fine. So there's 2 different ways that you can upload that for me to see. Okay, awesome.